mid-November creek walk. I'm actually out here doing a little deer hunting. I got in this creek. I usually walk it. Kind of makes a bend right here. Heads back that way. I happen to look down. Right in there. Really all I seen was the edge and some flaking. I know it's some edge work and flaking. We'll see what we got under there. Hopefully it's nice. Would you look at that? There's real fine working on the sides of that little tip. It appears to be whole. It's just a little thumb drill. There's not really any breaks. Yeah. Couldn't find any deer, so I decided to start looking for some rocks. But yeah, I'll take it. Find something else, we'll get back to you. Thanks. Yeah, it's been about 30 minutes since I found that drill. I'm still working my way up this creek. We had a really good rain a few days ago, and it's got all the leaves out of here. Got nice standing water. Deer hunting's pretty slow, but the rocks are coming out. And there's a fully exposed job. Pretty nice piece. Not broken. Then I'm going to keep going down through here. I got quite a bit of creek left, so hopefully I'll find something else. Thanks. Alright, it hasn't been 5 minutes since I found that last piece. And walked up on this one. Looks like a really neat piece. I don't know how much of it's broke or whatever. Yeah, it snapped off there. Looks like that's the base. Maybe. Damn. Yeah. This little snapped off base. I thought it was more than that. Alright, thanks. We'll get back. Hey, I'm back here now. Back down here with the cows this time. They're coming at me from all directions. But I tell you what, we got a beauty over here. It has a tip ding, but I can tell by looking at it. I haven't pulled it. I can tell by looking at it, this thing is going to be bad. Man, just a ding on the tip. It is just a small ding right there on the tip. But I mean, what a nice piece. What a really, really nice piece there. The work is awesome. One side's way stained up. Cows are getting restless behind me. I won't have to get out of the watering hole. Wowee. I know you can't see it, but this out here has a little bit of pink in it right there. Wow. Anyways, I'm having quite a day. try to find some more and get back with you. Thanks.